In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a crypto wallet on crypto.com. So I'm sure you already know about the crypto.com application, which is a white logo with a blue background. And in order to create a crypto wallet, you need to download another application. You're just going to search for crypto.com wallet. And it is this application with a blue logo and a white background. For me, I already downloaded it, so I'm just going to click on open. So when you do that, just click on create new wallet and then create a passcode. Confirm your passcode. You have the option to allow this application to use your Face ID or not. As you can see, a new wallet has been created, and you can just go ahead to back up the recovery phrase in order to ensure that your assets are stored safely and securely. So we're going to click on backup now. And then you're just going to choose where to back up your recovery phrase. So when you do that, you're going to be introduced to the home page just like this, and this is your wallet.